6 natural ingredients to manage diabetes and normalize A1C levels. Diabetes is a condition that affects millions of people worldwide, challenging individuals to manage blood sugar and maintain overall health. High blood sugar levels not only lead to immediate symptoms, but also contribute to long-term complications if left unchecked. One key measure of blood sugar control is the A1C level, which reflects average blood sugar levels over the past 2 to 3 months. In this video, we'll dive into a natural approach to managing diabetes by exploring 6 powerful, science-backed ingredients that can help stabilize blood sugar and normalize A1C levels. These ingredients, Sukre, TeaCrine, Gymnema sylvestre, Chromium, cinnamon, and green tea, not only assist in glucose regulation, but also support overall wellness. Let's learn how each of these works and ways to incorporate them into your lifestyle for better diabetes management. Sukre is a cutting-edge natural ingredient that is gaining recognition for its blood sugar stabilizing benefits. By helping the body process glucose more effectively, Sukre reduces sudden spikes and dips in blood sugar levels. It achieves this by improving how your cells respond to insulin, the hormone responsible for transporting glucose from your bloodstream into your cells for energy. Incorporating Sukre into your diet can lead to better day-to-day glucose control. Found in health supplements or functional foods, Sukre is an outstanding ally in maintaining stable blood sugar. TeaCrine is another fascinating natural compound known for its energy-boosting and blood sugar-modulating properties. Found in some teas and herbal supplements, TeaCrine facilitates energy metabolism, ensuring your body efficiently uses glucose. One major benefit of TeaCrine is its ability to reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes. After eating, your body works to manage the surge of glucose released from carbohydrate breakdown. TeaCrine acts as a buffer, smoothing these fluctuations to keep your levels within a healthy range. Adding TeaCrine to your daily routine can be as simple as enjoying specially formulated teas or supplements. Gymnema sylvestre, a plant used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine for centuries, holds a unique title, the sugar destroyer. This herb has natural compounds that bind to taste receptors on your tongue, reducing your ability to taste sweetness. This helps curb sugar cravings and lessen the likelihood of overindulging in sugary foods, a common challenge for many managing diabetes. But that's not all Gymnema does. It also helps improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your body uses insulin more effectively. This reduces blood sugar levels over time, making it a fantastic tool for normalizing A1C levels. Gymnema is commonly available in herbal teas, capsules, or extracts, making it easy to add to your routine. Chromium is an essential trace mineral that plays a critical role in your body's insulin function. Insulin can only do its job properly when activated by chromium. This helps glucose move into cells where it's used for energy, rather than remaining in the bloodstream where it can cause harm. Studies show that chromium supplementation can improve insulin sensitivity and support better regulation of blood sugar. Foods naturally high in chromium, like broccoli, whole grains, and nuts, are excellent additions for maintaining this mineral's balance in your body. Adding chromium to your diet, whether through whole foods or supplements, is a natural way to support diabetes management. Cinnamon isn't just a flavor-enhancing spice, it's a powerful ally in blood sugar control. Research has highlighted its bioactive compounds, which help lower fasting blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. One of the biggest challenges for people with diabetes is maintaining steady blood sugar throughout the day. Cinnamon helps by slowing stomach emptying, reducing blood sugar spikes after meals. Regular consumption of cinnamon has also been shown to improve A1C levels, an essential marker for long-term glucose control. Incorporate cinnamon by sprinkling it on oatmeal, yogurt, or even brewing a warm cinnamon tea for a soothing and health-boosting beverage. Green tea, celebrated for its myriad health benefits, is especially valuable for managing diabetes. This popular drink is rich in antioxidant compounds called catechins, which not only protect your cells from damage, but also enhance insulin function and lower blood sugar levels. In addition to its effects on blood sugar, green tea supports heart health, a critical concern for people living with diabetes. By reducing cholesterol levels and improving circulation, it provides comprehensive health benefits that go beyond glucose management. Make green tea a part of your daily routine by enjoying a hot cup with meals or as a refreshing iced drink during the day. Each of these 6 natural ingredients has unique properties, but their combined effects can create a powerful synergy for blood sugar stabilization. While Sukre and TeaCrine improve glucose processing and metabolism, Gymnema combats sugar cravings and strengthens insulin sensitivity. Chromium boosts your body's ability to use insulin, while cinnamon and green tea provide additional regulation of blood sugar spikes and long-term A1C improvements. When used together, these ingredients complement each other, providing a holistic approach to diabetes management. Now that we've explored the benefits of these natural ingredients, let's look at practical ways to include them in your daily routine. Sukre. Look for supplements or functional foods containing sucre and follow package instructions. TeaCrine. Consume through special teas, beverages, or health supplements designed to stabilize energy levels. Gymnema sylvestre. Enjoy Gymnema as part of a tea, capsule supplement, or liquid extract. Chromium. Increase intake with foods like broccoli, barley, and nuts, or use supplements if required. Cinnamon. Incorporate into meals, snacks, or beverages for a flavor and health boost. Green tea. Aim to drink 1 to 3 cups of green tea daily, either hot or iced. While these ingredients are natural, maintaining balance is crucial. Excessive intake of certain compounds like cinnamon or chromium may lead to unwanted side effects. Always consult your healthcare provider before introducing new supplements or making significant dietary changes, especially if you are on diabetes medication. In addition to including these ingredients in your diet, here are some other essential tips for managing diabetes. Follow a balanced diet. Pair protein, fiber, and healthy fats with carbohydrates to reduce blood sugar spikes. Exercise regularly. Physical activity enhances insulin sensitivity and supports weight management. Manage stress. Practicing mindfulness, meditation, or yoga reduces stress hormones that can increase blood sugar. Monitor your progress. Regularly check your blood sugar levels and A1C to track improvements. Combining these lifestyle changes with the 6 natural ingredients can have a powerful, positive effect on your diabetes management. To wrap up, managing diabetes doesn't have to feel overwhelming, and natural strategies can be incredibly effective. By incorporating Sukre, TeaCrine, Gymnema, Chromium, cinnamon, and green tea into your routine, you're giving your body tools to stabilize blood sugar, normalize A1C levels, and improve your overall health. We hope this video has provided valuable insights you can implement in your daily life. Be sure to consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your health routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content on diabetes management and healthy living. Let's take charge of health together.